we are living in this new age spirituality movement. PSSM is on to new age spirituality, and you as founder of this PSSM movement, you have studied a lot of books, more than 50 to 60,000 books, not only from Indian literature, it is from foreign literature also. And your scientific temperament has promoted you as one of the leaders of this new age spirituality, I believe. Sir, can you explain me regarding the scientific insights of the foreign leaders, spiritual leaders, the authors?
The Western people were always very, very scientific.
Yes, sir.
Logical.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, they could come out with spiritual science also. Everybody. There are so many spiritual scientists in the West. For example, Brian Weiss, he hypnotized many, many people.
Yes, sir.
He studied hypnotic regression and come out with various principles of life before birth and life after death. Michael Newton,
Yes.
hypnosis. Okay. Monroe, out of body experiences. So many things are there.
Yes, sir.
Ian Stevenson, childhood memories. Everyone is a great scientist, spiritual scientist. Edgar Cayce, in his mediumship, he would diagnose every patient and give a
Yes, sir. There are
remedy to it.
There are thousands of pages of
Edgar
records,
Cayce. So-
records created by
So
Edgar Cayce.
in channeling, in meditation, in channeling, he will channel all the Akashic records.
Yes, sir.
Edgar Cayce. So, and there are people who put their hands in the physical body and remove all the things. Surgery,
Surgery.
astral surgery.
Astral surgery. Yes,
Understand? Many, many things are there. And all people have, is under public eyes, they have done all these things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So much spiritual science is flowing from the West to the whole world.
Whole world.
I have been very fortunate to study all those things.
Yes, sir.
Many people in India, they don't know what is happening in the West. But I know what is happening in the West. People in the West know what is happening in the East, but people in the East, they don't know what is happening in the West.
In the West.
So I have come here to bridge that gap in the East, so that everybody should know about the West.
Yes, sir. That's why you are insisting one has to become spiritual scientist.
Yes, yes.